Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store with Afterpay. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website. So just go to wordpress.com and this is going to open up the homepage from where we can get started with accessing our WooCommerce store. And at the left side of the screen, we can find all the plugins we can use for setting up our store and that you have already used for setting up your store. So once you have done that, we can go to the marketplace. Go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce website right here, woocommerce.com, and then from the top of the screen, open up the extensions marketplace. It's going to open up this marketplace right here. We can find all the extensions we can use for our store, and what we're going to do is search using the search bar right here at the top of the screen. Search for Afterpay. As you can see, this is going to be the first result you can see, which is called Afterpay for WooCommerce, and it's going to enable you to allow customers to purchase products and choose to pay in 4 installments or 6 weeks or pay monthly. So to install it to your store, you're going to click the add to store button right here. That's going to enable you to add it to your WooCommerce store. So you're just going to install it, and after that follow the instructions one by one on how to go ahead and get it started and how to integrate it with your WooCommerce store. It's all going to be explained. You even have the documentation right here for support, and here at the bottom you can see what up to versions for WordPress is going to be working. So if you need any more help, just click get support and you're going to get in touch with somebody that can help you install it step by step, and that is how it's done and how you can do it for your own store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.